And we're about to see what happens when you put marshmallows in the microwave. We're really hyper on energy drinks, so.
Watch. Marshmallows, not that hyper.
This stuff tastes really good.
Three marshmallows.
This shit's gross.
How we put it in the microwave?
I don't care! Shut up!
Let's just find shit to put in the microwave. See how, what we can damage. But if we break the microwave, we might get in trouble. Look at them go.
Oh my god, they're expansive. Tune in. I'm waiting for the explosion.
Look how big they are. I've never put them in for a minute. I've only put them in for 20 seconds. This could be bad. Oh god, guys. How big do they get? Oh, we should put soap in the microwave.
Oh my god. Like a whole bar of soap?
Well, not like a bar soap. I mean, potatoes.
I think we should take it out now before you explode.
No. Well, wait. This is what happens.
10 more seconds.
Marshmallow.
Oh my
8,
god, that's
7,
gonna be awesome. I just want to hear them blow. Oh my gosh, look at that huge one. look at this one. Wait, touch it. Let's see what happens.
They're hot. Careful.
Oh look, it's deflating. No, it's like so marshmallowy. Oh my god. Come out of it. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they're burnt in the middle?
I like them. Oh my god.
Ow!
I'll eat it. Ew.
Ow! Let go!
What does it taste like?
Eat it, dare you. It tastes like burnt sugar. It smells like burnt.
Tastes like a s'more. Wait, what does it smell like?
It smells like burnt sugar.
That's what it is. Burnt sugar.
Okay, let's find a bar of soap. Keep recording.
No, let's see what we're gonna do. Alright, now we're gonna get a bar of soap. And we're gonna try to find a bar of soap. And we're gonna put it
smells really
in the microwave.
It smells really weird.
Okay, energy drink.
What were toothpaste we got? Oh, here. That one? Put it in a bowl, not fresh milled soap.
We just found some soap. What is it?
Soap with my aunt.
Come on.
On a rope. No, not really.
Soap on the rope.
Eat it. I found the treasure. That's soap on a rope.
What?
That's from a movie. When you guys are older, you can say that. That movie's inappropriate.
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
Even the title's inappropriate. What is it? I'll tell you later. Okay. No, it's not.
We're
Okay.
recording.
I don't know how long this
I'll
goes.
open it in 10 seconds. This is gonna be soap and the microwave.
Let's observe.
What if it just starts to melt?
I think it's supposed to bubble or something.
That'd be awesome. Or I think this is good. Water too. I don't know.
Oh, we're supposed to have water. I don't remember what we did. We did this in my class. We were just gonna make it really hot.
Then we should put it in a mold.
You guys know where we could get a baby so we could put it in the microwave? I'm just kidding. Not really.
No, she's totally kidding.
She's not.
Is
Or
she?
am I? Oh, look, it's bubbling.
Oh, maybe you don't have water to it. Well, I can't really see. Excuse me.
Oh God, is it steaming?
Oh my god. Is it melting?
Oh my God, it smells like soap.
Oh my gosh, it does.
Melting?
Yeah. I smell soap. It smells like a hotel bathroom. Yes.
I hope the microwave doesn't forever smell like soap.
God, what if it tastes like it? That wouldn't be really bad.
Bro, you
Okay, I'm taking this out. I'm getting scared.
I think it's smoking. Oh my god. And it's burned.
Oh my God, check it out.
Whoops. Soap in the microwave.
Oh, burnt soap, guys. You want some burnt soap?
Totally. Oh my god.
let's go wash our hands.
Oh my God, it's really hot. Oh God.
Ew, it smells like
Ew, it smells like a gross hotel room.
a really cheap hotel room.
Ow, ow.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Well, this is gross.
Now I have to smell my hands after washing
What
my
else can we
hands.
put in the microwave?
Oh my gosh, it is like legit smoking.
Yeah.
It's like ridiculous.
Look, so these are our two things so far.
Oh, it doesn't smell like that in the microwave. Good. What else can we microwave, guys?
Damn.
Can you microwave mouthwash? I don't think that would do anything.
Wait, you
said
said
toothpaste, right?
Yeah, just pour a bunch of toothpaste.
Okay.
Let's see what that does.
Toothpaste in the microwave?
Plate?
Oh.
Over here. I'm wasting a lot of paper.
Whatever.
God, now it smells like burnt soap. You can like taste it.
You have like air freshener, some Febreze.
You can like taste it when it like.
Alright, toothpaste. I'm afraid we're gonna find something that you should put in the microwave
And it'll like blow up.
It's gonna blow up.
That was
I heard that marshmallows blow up. That person lied.
Oh,
Okay, this is gonna be some.
oh God, Elise.
Okay, it's sizzling. It's sizzling.
Guys, listen.
It's smoking.
Okay, okay. What the fuck? I only put it for like 20 seconds, but it's just like, oh my god, my god, it's burnt. Oh my god, it smells minty fresh.
It got burned to the plate.
Oh my God, did it really? Did it harden?
Did it hard? I'm afraid to touch
Get
it.
a fork
it's
or
not
something. Same.
It's not hard.
Maybe well, that there's like a burnt spot.
I know, I see that.
Right there.
But it's not hard. Like,
Is it warm?
yeah, it's warm.
Ew, it's like.
Texture.
It smells good though.
It smells like marshmallow. Why is everything white?
Wow. Finally, gals.
A cookie?
A
That's
cook-
like popcorn.
Oh, what?
No. That's really creative. Things you can microwave from the linen closet.
Experimenting.
Want to microwave some shampoo?
Shampoo?